Juniper berries are an unsurpassed gift of nature, like precious pearls wrapped around the evergreen branches of the plant. These little round treasures are an unsurpassed gift of nature, full of beauty, fragrance, and healing power. Juniper is a symphony of scents, each note traveling through the air to create an unsurpassed, mysterious perfume. The legends and myths of different nations give this plant a special place in folklore, reflecting its symbolic meaning of strength, protection, and eternity. Ukrainian legends tell us that the juniper bush has a special magical power that can protect from harm and ensure long life for those who respect and care for it. This tree is often associated with sacred rituals and ceremonies that use its magical properties to protect people from misfortune. Ukrainian Cossack warriors used to sleep on juniper branches after fierce battles to restore their spirits and heal their wounds. Some legends associate juniper with rebirth and renewal. Its ability to retain its green leaves throughout the year symbolizes the continuity of life, eternity, and the renewal of nature. Juniper is one of the key ingredients in the production of gin. Its berries are used to create the distinctive flavor and aroma of this alcoholic beverage. There are theories that this plant may have originated as early as the Miocene epoch, about 60 million years ago, as a separate genus or species, and spread around the world as a result of geological changes and movements.